everyone to day 7 of A Taste of Quilting, and today I'm going to show you how you do the quilting, which is the 3 layers, sewing through the 3 layers. I'm going to take 2 days to tap.
Right, here we go. So hello everyone, this is Moses. I'm so glad to have this time talking to you again. Maybe before we go very far, I would like to spend some time letting my brothers also introduce themselves so that we can continue. We are here for a workshop. This workshop is for quilting. So I think we are going to learn a lot about this, but first after the introduction. Thank you.
Hello dear everyone, I am by the name of Moise. I'm a member of SSPI, and at SSPI I work as a plastic artist designer, and right now we are in workshop, as you can see, of quilting. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, hello dear friend, by the name call me Echiba Makene Baron. I'm here for just to make some practice with these things which we have here for quilting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is Era. Even me, I'm also a member of SSPI. I'm here to see the practice of these materials. That's my first time today. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you so much. So, let's go to Samuel.
Yes, hello everyone. By the name Samuel. I'm just also a member of SSPI, and now we are in the workshop. We are going to learn quilting program. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Help me back. Help the equipment, please. Right. Let's continue with this. So as we said, we are in a quilting workshop, and maybe we should first of all start by defining what is quilting. What is quilting? Actually, according to Oxford Dictionary, quilting, according to Oxford Dictionary, quilting is a bed cover consisting of 2 layers of fabric stitched together. That's according to Oxford Dictionary. And if you use it like the verb to quilt, it's just to construct a quilting. But let me say that sometimes the way I might define quilting might be a little bit different from the way you can do. But according to me, quilting is making a lasting memory. The goodness of quilting, and the reason why we do love quilting program here at SSPI, is just because quilting works hand in hand, is much connected and related to recycling, upcycling, and this is all about turning trash into treasure, and that's the work of SSPI, and that's why we do welcome this program here at SSPI. People are ready for it, people are ready to join, and what I can say is a big salute and thanks a lot to Madam Rian Dolly for introducing this program here at SSPI. So we hope that we shall learn a lot, we shall improve, and we shall make it something great for us to sustain. We also want the sustainability of our planet, of the environment. So, what I have to say again is that it is always amazing to see a pile of cloth turned into a beautiful piece of art. Yes, and the life of a human being is really tied. The life of a human being is connected, tied to clothes, because clothes are part of our life. And if clothes are part of life, what happens and what do we do with old clothes that we cannot really rewear again? We have to throw them. Throwing them is trashing the planet, and that's not something good. But we have a way of turning the trash into lasting memory, and this is all about quilting. So for you to get involved into quilting workshops or quilting works, first of all, you need to get inspired. If you're not having inspiration, you cannot sacrifice your time sitting for a very long moment quilting. So first of all, get inspired to make a lasting memory, and then after that, you can start with the process, making patterned pieces, determine the size, cut your fabrics, then you can start sewing. But now coming back to the table, as you can see, friends here waiting for them to start quilting. These are some of the materials that we have and that we shall be using. You can see we have a lot of threads. Threads are here different. They will all help in quilting. We are having pencils in colors. They also help designing when it comes to the first process of sizing your quilting, giving it the color that you want to use. Colors are there to be used. We have scissors, we have markers, we have pens, we have chalk, we have cutters. They are all necessary for quilting. So we have pins here, pins and also needles are here for sewing and connecting pattern pieces. So these are some of the materials that you are going to be used. Of course, we are not having all the materials that we do wish to have for this work, but we hope that with this giving, we can really try to do something. You know, making something is just an act of willing. Okay, so when you're willing to do something, you actually do it once or not without presenting excuses. So in the materials, let's also talk about, we are having a shirt here that together we are going to try to cut and make sure that we turn into art. So according to the way you are seeing this shirt, exactly, as you can look around at it, you find that it's really damaged. And let me say that the story, as I said, that clothes are tied to the human life. For me, this shirt is a shirt having a great impact on my life because this is the first shirt that my wife bought to me. And now the story goes that my wife, for now, she's very far from me. She's living in America, in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm in Africa, I'm in Uganda, I'm in a refugee settlement. So I think before she went there, this was the first shirt that she bought to me. And can you imagine what do I see, what do I think of whenever I come around this shirt, whenever I look at this shirt? I see beauty, I see the wife of my life, I see the mother of my children. So it's unfortunate that at the time my shirt got destroyed, yet it was one of my beloved shirts. So you know Uganda is full of ants. It got destroyed, it got damaged, and I couldn't throw away this shirt just because of the impact that it has into my life because of its story. It was a gift that I couldn't throw, though it was damaged. So I was also wondering, finally, what should I do with the shirt which is already damaged? But actually, God sent someone to teach me about quilting, and today I now have a great idea of what I can do with my my beloved shirt, my beloved damaged shirt. So we shall be turning it into beautiful memory, a beautiful lasting memory, which I call quilts. So you know, quilting is all about making lasting memory, and if you want to keep memories, if you want to keep our stories, it is for us to be able to keep our history. You kept a story, you kept a memory, you kept stories, then you can be able to create a history. So that's why we are involved into quilting. So we shall be cutting it here. It's a long process, but I would ask you to stay tuned. Then you will come and see and look at what we shall get at the end. Stay tuned, please. So thank you so much.